Welcome to Maths, Lesson 50. Mental Maths. When you are adding numbers in your head, the first thing that you need to do is to decide on the method that you are going to use. You could look at patterns. If 7 add 8 equals 15, then 37 add 8 must equal 45. 17 add 48 equals 65. And 70 add 80 equals 150. Seventy add 80 is just multiplying by 10. Have a look at the pattern that those numbers are taking. Another method you could use for adding numbers in your head is rounding. 17 add 9. You could round this to 17 add 10 and then just take away 1. If you've added 1 to the 9, you must take it away later. 24 add 19 is the same as 24 add 20 and take away 1. This works for decimals too. 1.8 add 4.9 equals 1.8 add 5, that's 6.8, take away 0.1 because you added 0.1 earlier. When you are adding numbers in your head, another way you might like to try is near doubles. You've probably been doing doubling at school. 17 add 18. That's just like 18 doubled. And then take away 1. 25 add 26 is like saying 25 doubled and then add 1. This also works for decimals. 3.3 add 3.5. You could look at 3.3 add 3.3 and then add the extra 0.2. That's easier, isn't it? So we've looked at patterns, rounding and near doubles. Now it's time to practice. You decide which one is the best method. Choose a mental method to find the answer for these. 126 add 125. Pattern, rounding or near doubles. You could try near doubles. 125 add 125, and then add the extra 1. That's 251. Add 100 equals 20 add. Try patterns for this one. Add 100 equals 20 add 90. Add 49. You could try patterns, rounding or near doubles for this, whichever one you think you'd prefer. Add 49 is 100. Stop the video and go to test 50A. Don't forget to come back to me when you have completed it. There are lots of different ways of telling you to subtract. Find the difference between is one way of telling you to subtract. Find the difference between 5,410 and 6,810. Look at the pattern. There's a pattern in these numbers. The difference is 1,400. Now find the difference between 8,239 and 8,139. Look for the pattern in the numbers. The difference is 100. Another way of asking you to subtract is to say less than. What is 26 less than 89? That means 89 subtract 26. Less than means subtract. "26 less than 89 is 63. What is 40 less than 7,850? That means you need to take 40 away from 7,850. "40 less than 7,850 is 7,810. Go to test 50B. Look out for patterns to help you when you're doing mental maths. You can use rounding, patterns, or near doubles. You are ready to take your maths test. Go to Maths, Test 50. Good luck!